Today we're going to take the normal scrambled egg and spice it up a little bit. We're going to add some extra little bit of spices, that Indian sort of flavour going into the scrambled egg, and we're going to serve it with some fresh homemade chapatis. We'll start off with the chapatis, really nice, simple, easy. Just get a bowl. We've got 140 grams of wholemeal flour, 140 grams of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to add some coriander seed into it. So with these, just into a ramekin and just the end of your rolling pin, just smash them up a little bit. I won't worry too much because when we roll out the chapatis, the rolling pin will break those open anyway. So those can go in there as well. And then we've got 180 ml of warm water. That goes in there slowly. And start working that together, rolling it around with your fingers. Start to get a little bit sticky. Just give that a little knead, just bring it all back together. We have a chapati dough, very simple. I'm going to make that into about 5 chapatis, so we'll go 6, Roll that into small little balls. Just let that rest for about 5 minutes. After those have rested for about 5 minutes, a little bit of plain flour, and then just roll those out. You want them the thickness of a tortilla. As you get thinner, you'll hear those seeds cracking, which is what we want. Big frying pan, get it up to temperature when it's smoking hot. Drop of oil in there, lightly coated, and then we'll drop our chapati straight in there. All our chapatis are cooked now. Lovely. We'll just leave those to one side. Now we'll go to the eggs. We'll start off, same pan, get that still be nice and warm. Medium sort of heat. We can create a curry paste to start with. If you don't want to do this, you can just buy a jar of the curry paste, a little spoonful of that, and add the eggs to it that way. I'm going to make it as we go. So we've got some diced shallot or onion if you want, finely diced. We've got 10 grams of fresh ginger, 15 grams of garlic paste, and then we've got half a teaspoon of turmeric, cumin seeds, garam masala and ground coriander, and a couple of curry leaves in there as well. 4 eggs, and then some little bits for garnish, some green pepper, some spring onion, some pomegranate seeds. We'll start off, drop of oil in the pan, shallots go in. Just soften up those onions to release some sweetness of those onions coming out. Those onions cook down nicely, nice bit of colour into those. We'll add our garlic into that and our ginger. then our spice mix. Can all go in there. Cook those spices out. The smell of that's beautiful. It really is good. Then with our 4 eggs, just give them a quick mix up. Straight in. Take that off. Heating that pan, we'll carry on cooking that through to finish that off. We look at plating this up. Bring back our chapatis. Fold those up. Coriander. Roughly chopped. And there you have it.